Hey guys, how you doing? Another video for you. This video is going to be a little bit different in that obviously you're seeing my face for the first time. I know those of you that are familiar with my channel are used to just hearing my voice, and I'm sure you're also wondering why I'm shooting a video in my car. Well, there's a reason for that. Over the last few weeks, I've been looking more and more into, I'd say, making videos with better content, better quality, and just doing my best to make it more entertaining for those that are watching. I never really saw the benefit of making videos of higher quality until I had a couple of videos that have really exploded. I've got one video with almost 500,000 views at this point, and actually making a little bit of money off that video, which I never really thought possible for the quality of the videos that I put out. But so to that end, what I really want to do is bring videos to you guys that are higher quality with some decent editing and with the content that's more desirable. I will continue to do the e-bike videos as I have in the past, but I also want to add to those videos not just a walk around or a riding video, but some build videos that where I walk you guys through the design and build process in multi-part videos, and also some automotive videos, and that's the reason why I'm shooting this in my car. I'm a little bit of a car guy, and I've got a few cars that I'd like to review and give you guys a normal guy's perspective of owning a couple of interesting cars. I'll be doing a video shortly of this car that I bought a few months ago, a couple other cars that my wife and I have had for a couple of years, and have put a lot of miles on them to give sort of an extended test drive impression of them. And then I've got one car that I have an order that I should have probably 2 or 3 weeks from now, and I'll be doing a review of that car. That's anticipated car. I've had it on order for quite some time, and I'm pretty excited about that. So keep your eyes on this channel, and also if you guys have any suggestions of content or you know, things you'd like to see, things that you like about my videos or don't, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I do read the comments on my videos, and let me know what your thoughts are. So anyway, again, keep your eyes on my channel, and look forward to some new videos. I'm going to try and do a video a week. That might be a little ambitious at the beginning, maybe once every couple of weeks post a new video, and the quality is going to be getting better and better, using better equipment, some drone footage, and just some decent editing. And so I will leave it there and let you guys keep an eye on my channel, and in anticipation of some interesting review videos, test videos, and build videos that I have planned. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the flip side.